This is my next video on shortcuts in trigonometry. Make a note of this formula. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees or angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees, if and only if tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1, if and only if cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to 1. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, if and only if tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1, also if and only if cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equal to 1. The first one is if tan phi theta into tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta is equal to 1, then find the value of tan 3 theta. Here multiple choice questions. First option A is minus 1 by root 3. Option B plus 1 by root 3. Option C root 3 minus root 3. So this model sum is depends on this formula. If tan theta 1 plus tan theta is equal to 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1. Or if A plus B is equal to sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then tan A into tan B is equal to 1, or cot A into cot B is also 1. Here tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta is equal to 1. Given tan 5 theta into tan 4 theta is equal to 1. Tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1. Here the condition is theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Here theta 1 is 5 theta, theta 2 is 4 theta. So sum of angles should be 90. So that means 5 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 90 degrees. 5 theta plus 4 theta, 9 theta. 9 theta is equal to 90 degrees, implies theta is equal to 10 degrees. 9 ones are 9 tens are, theta is 10 degrees. Now we have to find a tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta, which is equal to tan 3 into theta is 10 degrees. Plus 3 into 10, 30. But tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now the option is B. B is the correct answer. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now next one is second one. If tan 15 degrees into tan 30 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 75 degrees is equal to how much? 1. Option A is 1, B option minus 1, C option 0, D is none of this. D is none of this. Here also we can use same formula here. Tan 15 into tan 30 into tan 45 into tan 75. Tan 45 into tan 75. 15 into 2, 30. 15 3 is a 45. Multiple of 15 here. Next, tan 60 degrees into tan 15 into 2, 30. 15 into 3, 45. 15 4 is a 60. 15 5, 75 degrees is equal to how much? So here tan 15 into tan 75. Here the condition must be satisfied. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Here I am taking tan 15 degrees into tan 30 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 60 degrees into tan 75 degrees. From first ratio and the last ratio, here 15 degrees plus 75 degrees. Sum of two angles is 90. 15 plus 75, 90. Next, tan 30 into tan 60. Here 30 plus 60, 90. Here tan 45 is already 1. Then from tan 15 into tan 75 1. tan 30 into tan 61 into tan 45 is also 1. 1 into 1 into 1. So answer is 1. Option A. So next example is third one. Third one is tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree, so on, tan 87 degree into tan 89 degree is equal to, first option is 1, B 0, C minus 1, fourth one is none of these. Now the solution is, here also we have to use same formula for this, tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree, so on, from last one, tan 89 degrees, before that tan 87 degree into tan 89, 87, here I am writing 85 degree. So from first ratio to and last ratio, from tan 1 into tan 18, here 1 plus 89, 1 degree plus 89 degree is equal to 90 degree. That means theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees. This value will be 1. From tan 2 degree into tan 87, 2 degree plus 87 degree, sorry, 1, 2, 3 here, 89, 88, 87 here. So from first to last, tan 1 degree into tan 80, 1 degree plus 89 is equal to 90. Next tan 2 into tan 88, 2 plus 88 which is 90 degrees. Next from third ratio, tan 3 degree, 3 plus here 87, 3 plus 87 is also 90. But the condition is satisfied here. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then tan theta 1 into tan 89 is 1. Similarly, tan 2 into tan 88 is also 1. Next, tan 3 into tan 87 is 1. So 1 into so on is equal to 1. So option is A. A is the correct option. Next, the fourth one is, if tan A plus B, if tan A plus B into tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B is 1, then find the value of tan 2A by 3. Then find the value of tan 2A by 3. Option 1, minus 1 by root 3, plus 1 by root 3, C root 3, D minus root 3 here. Now the solution is, here also same formula, tan A plus B into tan A minus B. Here theta 1 is nothing but A plus B. A plus B can be written as theta 1 and A minus B is theta 2 here. If tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1, then we have to find a tan 2A by 3. That is enough to prove that we have to find a AB values. Given tan A plus B into tan A minus B is equal to 1. But the condition is here, theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees. Since theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90 degrees, therefore A plus B plus A minus B is 90 degrees. Then plus B minus B cancel, A plus A 2A, 2A is equal to 90, then A is equal to 45. A is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have to find a tan 2A by 3. Tan 2A by 3, which is equal to tan of 2 into Put A is equal to 45 degrees here by 3. Tan 2 into 45, 90. 90 by 3 is 90 by 3, which is equal to tan 30. 90 degrees by 3 is equal to 3 ones or 3 30s are tan 30. But tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. No, B is the correct option here. So, for all the 4 sums, the only formula is theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees. If and only if tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1, also cot theta 1 into cot theta is 1.